Calling me out like the first day. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, 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 you making me new today. Brand new, straight from the fountain of wealth. I put my gift in your hand. Take me from rags to riches in the best way. Ooh, you wait for me. And it seems that you wait for me.
Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to BeautyForever for sponsoring this video. I am so excited. I'm gonna tell you guys, yes, the wig is a burgundy wig, and I've been wanting a burgundy wig since forever. It's fall, and those are the colors that's trending. So we're gonna go in and open this wig. Ooh, look at the color. I'm excited. What? Let me tell you guys everything that we receive in this package. We have wig caps, edge brush, a edge band, of course. We got some lashes. This is like a little free gift. Okay, we got a bonnet, BeautyForever. And of course, we have a bag to store our wigs. Keep your bags. So anyway, let's get into this wig. This is a 7x5 body wave, a bye-bye knot. Not body wave, I'm sorry. This is a 7x5 bye-bye knot. Newly upgraded reddish brown 33B Auburn Jerry Curly wig. Yes. Warm, rich color. That's absolutely amazing for fall. Now, let's talk about this wig. It's a 7x5. Like I said, absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. It's amazing. Love, love, love it. It's a reddish brown. I said that before. The wig is very full. Yes. Nice jerry curl here. Can you guys see the color? I need to show y'all the color. But anyway, let's talk about the lace. How beautiful this is. We are going to install it and see how, you see that? Perfect. Now, I want to talk about the inside of the wig. It's an upgraded drawstring. And of course, you guys already know I do love my drawstring. Yeah, it's a drawstring cap design. This is how it looks, the cap. We have the adjustable band, of course. It's very breathable. A comb at the back. You guys know I love a comb. And the drawstring to fit any head size. You just adjust to fit. Truly no slip. You see how tight that gets? Yes, glueless for everyone. And then you pull it down, and whatever is left, you always tuck it under the wig. Now, I want to show you how tight you can get this. Are you guys seeing that? Yeah, but to loosen it, you're going to take this out, loosen the wig. So it's one cap fit any head size. Absolutely love it. But I really love the color of the wig. I think I need to show you guys the color outside. I love that. And guess what, guys? I cannot wait to tell you because BeautyForever anniversary is starting, which means more discount for your wigs. Anyway, we're going to install this wig. I'll talk to you guys more about it. Absolutely love it.
Can't afford taking me to places I ain't explored yet. Heavenly places.
Alright guys, it's time for us to install this wig. Obviously I need to fix my hair, so let's do that real quick. You guys already know I don't braid my hair no more because most of my wigs are glueless or they're closures, so no need to. Now I'm just gonna do this in one and then just put the stocking cap on, and that'll be all. That'll be all. That'll be all. Okay. Here we go. I like to make sure that my cap is fitted the right way, and I like to pull it back a little bit. Now, this is the wig we are going to be installing. I absolutely love, love, love the color, and I'm so excited. Let's try to fit it on and see. Remember, we do have the option with a drawstring at the back, so that is amazing. Okay, this is snug. I didn't even pull the wig as yet, and it is snug. Okay, now, yeah, this wig is snug, guys. I love this. What? Are you guys even seeing this? Okay, here we are. This is snug, and we did not even pull the drawstring. So you know what that means. This is completely glueless if you want it to be, but you know me, I like to spray it down. The color is given though. So now with the drawstring, I always show you guys how to operate your drawstring wigs, and I'm gonna do that in this video. I love how fluffy and soft the curls are. So we're gonna show you guys how I pull down my drawstring. Let's get into it. So now you guys are seeing the drawstring. It's right here. All I'm gonna do is pull, make sure it is secure, and we're gonna tuck this right here underneath, and that's it. And that's it. Now the wig is completely secure. You have the option to move it if you want to, but this thing is on. So BeautyForever, I don't know what y'all did with this one, but you did great, okay? Because I absolutely love it. I'm wondering if I should even try to spray this down because it's so amazing. I'm just gonna use a little bit. So
No mistaken. Yeah, you had everything. Gave it all away. Gave me everything. Drip, drip on the cost. Gave us on the sun. Didn't take a loss. You did it for me. Glory on me, fully clothed. Yeah. No designer still unfold. Yeah. Took me from rags to riches. Rags to riches. Yeah. You wait for me. And you know, say you wait for me. You wait for me, yeah. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. Oh yeah, and I love it for me. I love it, I love it, I love it. Took me from rags to riches. Yeah, took me from rags to riches. Love it for me. Yeah, I love it, I love it, I love it. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. Oh yeah, and I love it for me.
are you guys seeing this wig? Like, I think I need another one. BeautyForever, I need another one. I need a whole wig for TikTok, okay? I'm not even gonna reinstall this one. I need a whole wig for TikTok. You know what I want in this color? A body wave. Or even a straight, because I can curl it. So I'll probably take a straight. But I need another wig in this color. This is the color, okay? Yeah. This is gonna be my new favorite. I love this. So now we are gonna wet the wig down, and you guys already know how I like to define my curls. It's gonna look more realistic. You guys know the wig came in a package. I like to go in with some mousse, and we're gonna let that dry down. I love how soft the curls are, and it's very much lightweight, so it will not take up a lot of time. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the mousse in first, then we're gonna spray this down, comb through. It's gonna have that look. You guys are gonna see the look that I love, and it's a special way of how I create this look. So make sure you spray down the hair. I'm gonna add some more mousse. This is how I typically do it. the mousse is a must, okay? Make sure you have a lightweight mousse. That's not gonna heavy down the hair. I hate to see that. And then I'm gonna go in with a comb, with a brush. This is how I typically do it. I brush the hair out. And then I take my time with the ends to create the look that I want. Now, for me to get the look that I want, I'm going to add a little bit more mousse. And most definitely, it needs more water. So let's just spray it down. Remember, brushing the hair out is key. So we're going to keep doing that. And then the trick to this is to pull it. We want to make sure that the curls are like this. You see? Now when it dries, it's going to look so pretty. This is the key. Right here needs some more. Most definitely. Just make sure you take your time. Pull the wig down. We're going to leave it to self-dry. You guys will see the look after it's done. It's going to be so stunning. Alright guys, this is the hair. This is so soft. It is soft, okay? I absolutely love it. You guys know when it comes on to a curly wig, and BeautyForever delivered this time again. I love me this wig. I love, love, love it. And for it to be a closure, let me tell you how soft these curls are. It is just beautiful. The reddish brown tone, I absolutely love it. It's full. The jerry curl here, this is it. Now I showed you guys how to create the perfect curls. You guys should try it. And I love that it's a adjustable fit as well with the drawstring at the back. I love it. Now you guys can get this wig if you want, because BeautyForever anniversary is, yes, it is on right now, and you guys will save even more if you purchase this wig. Now we're in fall season. It's their anniversary, which means they will be giving you guys a little bit more. So I'll have a discount in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. A lot of times people ask, Chrissy, where is this wig from, or can I get the link? The link is always in the description of the video. Always check the description. It will tell you everything. Once you see direct link, that's the link to the hair, and you select it. Now, if you want to go with options and you want to buy more than one wig, then definitely check their entire website where you can get more than one wig of your choice. Absolutely love this one, and you guys will be seeing me in this more than once because it's amazing. You know, look at it. Just look at those curls. This, it says it all. And the curls are super soft. They are not crunchy. You're not hearing that because it is soft. It has volume, the texture, the curls, the lace. It's a pre-everything wig, so definitely if you are a beginner, don't worry, because you can just put the wig on. It's never difficult with a wig like this. I love it, but the color is amazing. I love this color. I love this color. Just so if you guys are searching for the color, it's a reddish brown and 33B Auburn to be exact. Okay, love it. Love it. Love it. Now what's your thoughts? And I feel like the outfit is outfitting with the wig. I love it. BeautyForever, you deliver once more, and you already know once it comes to a jerry curly wig, I'm gonna deliver. I'm gonna show you guys how these curls are to be, okay? Because I did that. They're soft, and I cannot stop emphasizing on that because they're super soft. You should try it. I love this wig. I love, 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 love it. Love it. Love it. Ah! Yeah. You see the color, girl? Make sure you check the description. Thanks again for sponsoring this video, BeautyForeverHair. And remember their anniversary sale. Let's get into the cute part because I'm wearing this wig for the rest of the week. Yeah, I'm rocking this wig, okay? I love it that much. And then the color, I've been dying for a color like this. I keep saying, who's gonna send me a color wig like this? And they did. They listened, they did, and it's gonna work. And I know you guys are gonna buy it. So let's get into the cute part, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible, the temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last? He says there's no me without him. Please help me forget about him. He takes all my energy, trapped in my memory, constantly holding me, constantly holding me. I need to tell you all the pain he's caused. I need to tell you I'm